Hello everyone, this is Group 2 for Software Engineering Spring 2025 and this is our submission for Project 2, Saveurs Sélection, which is our take on a recipe recommender app. My name is Ayush Gala.
I'm Keyur Gondarekar. Hi, my name is Ayush Pathak.
Right? So after finally getting the software to run, one of the first features we implemented was the AI generated ingredient substitutions. Now here's an example use case. Let's say I'm looking for Indian chicken recipes and I look at a recipe. It looks really nice, looks really tasty, but I want some ingredient substitutions. Let's say I don't have chicken on me. So what do I do in this scenario? Suggest alternatives. So we're using the Gemini Flash 2.0 API, and Gemini will give us a lot of alternatives on what we can replace chicken with. So it's given us to replace chicken with chicken thighs or firm tofu, paneer as a vegetarian option, and cauliflower as a vegan option. It also gives us general tips for the substitutions, adjust the cooking time and the taste.
We've also added the ability to bookmark certain recipes and then add them to a grocery list later. For example, if I want to make a pizza, I can go and select this pizza, bookmark it, and then later if I go to my grocery list and fetch my grocery list, I can see that all these ingredients have been added to it as part of the recipe list. This pulls ingredients from the recipe that you've chosen, and if you select multiple recipes, then whatever common ingredients are there just show up once so that you can have an easier shopping experience.
This is the generate recipe feature, which takes in all the ingredients that you have on hand. Let's say I do chicken, I do pasta, and I do cheese. I define the cuisine. Let's say I do Italian. I want to spend 20 minutes on this recipe, and then my data type is non-vegetarian. And when I hit generate recipe, based on a custom prompt, a call is made to Gemini 2.0 Flash, and it prints out random recipes every time.